Alrighty, this is Module 1, Chapter 17. We are going to get started. You're going to need your place value chart with the 7 columns, and we're going to be doing something with that, and then we'll also be using our whiteboards. So, sorry for that interruption. Let's go ahead and get going. The first thing we're going to start with is changing place value. This is something we've done a lot, and it's just a little different take on what we've been doing. First thing we're going to work on is changing place value, and doing something a little bit different than what we've done before, but it should feel very familiar to you. We're going to start with changing place values, some similar things that you've done before, but also it will look slightly different. So get your place value chart ready and let's go. Alrighty, we are going to start with this place value chart, and we are going to write the number that is indicated above: 400,000s, 610,000s, 3,000s, 200s, 610s, and 5 ones. So we're going to start with 4 in our 100,000s, 6 in our 10,000s, 3,000s, 200s, 610s, and 5 ones. So our number, if we're looking at that, would be 463,265. So if we were going to show 100 more, well, what would that change our number to? Well, we'd go to our hundreds, we would add 100 more, and we'd have a new number, 463,365. Let's change back to our original number. How would we show 10,000 less? We could go to our 10,000s, and we would show 1 less. So that would become a 5 instead of a 6, and our new number would be 453,265. Alrighty, let's try the next one. 100,000 more. Alright, I waited a few seconds there for you to make that change. We would have gone to the 100,000s, and we would have added 1 more. The new number would be 563,265. All right, and let's try doing 1 less. That's kind of nice. We just go to, hopefully you've done this, your ones, show 1 less, 463,264, and then 10 more. You should have gone to the 10s, done 1 more, and we would have 463,275. Pretty straightforward on that, right? Alrighty, let's look at this next part, and we are going to, we are going to look at that and put in our columns here. We have 400 plus 90 plus 3. Well, what would that look like? 400s plus 9 10s plus 3, and our number would be 493. Okay, I want you to look at the next one. Do that on your own. And we have 77,000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 5. Well, 7,000 is 7,000s, 300 is 300s, 80 is 8 10s, and 5 is 5 ones. Our new number, 7,385. All right, just when you think you've got it going right, we look at the next number, and it's a little bit different. The order isn't quite the same as it was before. So we're going to start with 20,000 plus 700,000 plus 5 plus 80. So they're mixing us all up. So 20,000 would be, and I want you to write this on your own, 2 10,000s. 700,000 would be 700,000s. 5, of course, takes us down to 5 ones, and 80 takes us to 8 10s. They didn't tell us anything else, so we know we're going to fill in those other slots with zeros. And our number is 720,085. So they've written these in expanded form, just not in quite the same order that we're used to seeing them in. Alrighty. Let's look at that last one, 30,000 plus 600,000 plus 3 plus 20. Well, where are we going to put that 30,000? Hopefully you've written 3 10,000s plus 600,000. Think about where that number is going to go. It tells us we've got 600,000 plus 3, which is our ones, plus 20, which tells us we've got 2 tens. And again, nothing in the thousands or the hundreds. So our new number is 630,023. Alrighty, the next thing we're going to do is convert units. We've been working with centimeters and meters, and now we're going to work with kilograms and grams. So 1 kilogram, the kilo tells us it involves 1,000. So 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. 2 kilograms then would be 2,000 grams. 3 kilograms, write it on your whiteboard, would be 3,000 grams. 8 kilograms, 500 grams. Well, 8 kilograms tells us we'd have 8,000 kilograms, plus 500 grams tells us we'd have 8,500 grams. 7 kilograms, 500 grams, same thing. 7 kilograms would be 7,000 kilograms, plus the 500 grams would give us 7,500 grams. 4 kilograms, 250 grams. Again, that 4 kilograms would translate to 4 times 1,000 grams, which would be 4,000 grams, 4,250 grams. Alrighty, this last page is going to be slightly different than that. So we're going to just look at that. And we're going to go with 1,000 grams. So now we're going the other way. Well, 1,000 grams, we just found out, is equal to 1 kilogram. So 1,500 grams, as you can see, but over here, we've got 1,500 grams. Well, that divides into 1,000 grams and 500 grams. So if you add those together, well, that gives us 1 kilogram for the 1,000 grams. And we're left with 500 grams. Let's look at 2,500 grams. Again, we could divide it the same way. We could say, oh, we've got 2,500 grams, and that is 2,000 and 500. Well, 2,000 grams we know is 2 kilograms, and it leaves us with 500 grams left over. 3,500 grams, be thinking the same sort of process. So we've got 3,000 kilograms plus 500 grams. So we know 3,000 grams plus 500 grams. And we know 3,000 grams is equal to 3 kilograms. And we're left with 500 grams. Alrighty, same thing, 9,500 grams. You should have that pattern in your head by now. Well, we've got 9 kilograms. And we've got 500 grams left over. 7,250 grams. Again, that 7,000 there can give us 7 kilograms, and we're left with 250 grams. Alrighty, that's the end for today of our fluency, and hopefully you did well and understood what we were doing. Have a great day.